Hey Transporter here. Today we are landing at Lisbon and we are below us. There is a Alpha Pendular high-speed Pendolino train 460113. I just saw it. And here's Lisbon Santa Polonia Central Station with another Alpha Pendular 460113, I think. Yes. And here's lower. We are very low and about to land. Allacciati cintura, this is So here we are now. We could go around every then and now. Yeah, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. Smooth landing. But hard braking. Very hard braking. Finally left the runway. Nice sound. Airbus A321 There's a bankrupt airline star here.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Portugal. We have just landed at Lisbon Airport. Please remind me to the seatbelt button and the button seatbelt sign is switched off. Check around your seat to ensure that you have collected personal belongings. We ask you to open overhead compartments carefully to prevent baggage from falling. It was a pleasure having you with us, and we look forward to welcome you on board from Portugal to Lisbon. Goodbye and thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. We have smoothly landed with 1 hour of delay. Thanks for watching.